Hello, how are you children? I hope everybody fine at your home. Around the world, museums. Museums are institutions that collect, safeguard and make accessible artifacts and specimens. They help people to explore collections for inspiration, learning and enjoyment. Read the description and write the name of the museum. Take help from the given clues. Question number 1. It is one of the world's largest museums, a central landmark of Paris, France. It is located on the right bank of the Seine. Nearly 35,000 objects from prehistory to the 21st century are exhibited here. Answer: the Louvre. Next, second. It is a museum in London dedicated to human history and culture. Its permanent collection, numbering some 8 million works, is among the largest and most comprehensive in existence. The British Museum. Third one. It is a museum of art and culture in St. Petersburg, Russia, founded in 1764. It is one of the largest and oldest museums in the world, the Hermitage Museum. Fourth one. It is one of the national museums in the island nation of the Republic of China, Taiwan, and has a permanent collection of more than 696,000 pieces of ancient Chinese imperial artifacts and artworks, making it one of the largest in the world, the National Palace Museum. Next, these are the museums of the Vatican City and are located within the city's boundaries. They display works from the immense collection built up the Roman Catholic Church throughout the centuries, the Vatican Museum. Next, this museum in London exhibits a vast range of specimens from various segments of natural history. It is one of the 3 large museums on Exhibition Road in South Kensington, the Natural History Museum. Religious beliefs. We all believe in the existence of God. Many among us believe in the existence of many gods. However, there are some people who do not believe in God. Read the description and write what these belief systems are called. Take help from given clues. It is the name given to the belief that God can be identified with all natural things and the forces of nature. Pantheism. Second, the teaching of this religion have been codified in scriptures known as Tripitakas or the 3 baskets. Buddhism. This faith, practiced by over 6 million people across the world, has no ceremonies, no clergy, and no sacraments. Baha'i. It is believed that there is more than one path leading to the Supreme Being, and that at least some truths and true values exist in other religions also. Pluralism. It is the belief that there is no Supreme Being. It is also says that belief in God is illogical and that God is just a projection of the human mind and what it believes to be good and ideal. Atheism. Sixth, It is the belief that life depends on the interaction of opposing or complementary principles such as good and evil and God and the devil. Dualism. It is the belief that souls or spirits exist not only in human and animals but also in plants, rocks, natural phenomena such as thunder, and geographic features such as mountains, rivers, etc. Animism. Next, it is the belief in many gods, each of whom has specific power. Most ancient religions believed in this. Polytheism. It is the belief that one cannot prove or disprove the existence of God and hence cannot believe or disbelieve in him. Agnosticism. It is the belief that God is everywhere, self-sustaining and perfect. He is beyond human understanding but involved in the world and its events. Monism. World History Quiz. Name the oldest civilization of the world. Mesopotamian. Which among the following countries is called the gift of the Nile? Egypt. When did the ancient Olympic Games begin? 776 BC. Rome was founded in around 1000 BC. Who among these was a famous Roman poet? Virgil. Who was the first to sail around the world? Magellan. Boston Tea Party incident happened in 1773. Who is known as man of blood and iron? Bismarck. The Russian revolutionary who founded the Communist Party was Lenin. Who said that man is a political animal? Aristotle. Who was the first Roman emperor? Augustus. Who is known as father of history? Herodotus. Next, Adolf Hitler committed suicide in 1945. Who was the emperor of Russia during the Russian Revolution? Nicholas II.